Hi and back everyone to HandSkill. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking out this video. And this is a parrot wall decor video. Let's start. Draw a outline of parrot or take printout and using a carbon paper, trace it on a cardboard. Trace only the outer part of parrot first and using a pen knife cut it down. Take equal amount of POP and glue, mix it well and put your coat on cardboard. This will give extra grip to the cardboard. Cover the back side and edges too. Always remember, don't take thin cardboard, it will start bending once clay dried. So take thick cardboard, otherwise stick 3 pieces of thin cardboard together. Next, for hanging this decor on wall, I am using this hook. You can get it from nearby hardware shop. Before sticking it on cardboard, use a knife, put a small hole on cardboard. Always check the knife will not damage the front side of the cardboard. And then using a strong glue, stick the hook over the hole on cardboard. Now draw the inner designs on parrot or just trace it out using carbon paper. Taking homemade air dry clay, you can take any air dry clay, apply glue first and then put a piece of clay, then started spreading it gently and cover the edges too. Using backside of pen knife, I am giving texture to this branch. Likewise, stick the clay in all parts of parrot from bottom to top. clay part is over. Next start coloring with your favorite colors. I am using acrylic colors blue, yellow, red, white, green here. Hope this will be useful for you. If you like this video, do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.